An arrest is a formal procedure by which a person is taken into custody for an investigation or to answer to a charge. And if this is done wrong, the law provides for persons to sue the police for false imprisonment. It is on this ground that 22-year-old Terrence Sandy, who was wrongfully arrested and kept in custody for 80 days in July 2023, has filed a $96 million lawsuit against the Guyana Police Force and by extension the state. Through his attorney Dexter Todd and Associates, Sandy is seeking compensation for what he deemed as a huge miscarriage of justice, which led to him being charged with the offense of break and enter and larceny, tarnishing his reputation. But what really happened before this? Sandy was walking to his Kuru Kururu Linden Soesdyke Highway house when he was approached by a police van. An officer then asked him if his name was Caesar, to which he responded in the negative. He was then asked if he worked on a truck, and he did. So he was asked to join the police vehicle. It all unfolded afterwards. Sandy was taken to the Timeri police station and then to the Madwini police station on the Linden Soesdyke Highway. There he was placed in a cell without no explanation. Subsequently, he was charged with the offense of break and enter and larceny. Without legal representation, Sandy was taken to the Diamond Magistrates Court and was remanded to prison until July 13, 2023. While in custody, Sandy was housed at the Lusignan prison. His family managed to secure a lawyer for him, and upon a review of statements, it was revealed that there was absolutely no evidence implicating Sandy in the crime. In fact, there was no mention by witnesses linking Sandy to the offense and also by the virtual complainant. What happened next? In light of this, Sandy's lawyers wrote to the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, requesting that his file be reviewed and the charge withdrawn. Thereafter, there was a series of back and forth between the lawyers and the prosecution, and it was then discovered that the file was never forwarded to the DPP for legal advice before the charge was instituted against Sandy. And based on an order by the court, the file was hand-delivered to the DPP's office for advice. And after spending months behind bars, the DPP, in a letter dated September 26, 2023, indicated that the matter be withdrawn. This was finally done and Sandy was released from prison. Sandy's lawyers contended that the simplest of investigation and due diligence would have been sufficient to prove that he was in no way involved in the crime and that the police had the wrong person. As a result, Sandy is now seeking $96 million for the immense damage caused by his unlawful arrest, unwarranted detention, unjust imprisonment, and malicious prosecution. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Sharda Bacchus.